Alright folks, so I've been living with the Roborock S7 Plus for a while now. And let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. If you're tired of spending your weekends cleaning, you need to check this out. It's not just a robot vacuum, it's a whole cleaning system. First off, the self-emptying dock. This is huge. We're talking up to 60 days of dust storage. Think about that. 2 whole months before you even have to think about emptying it. It comes with an extra dust bag too, which is a nice touch. No more constantly emptying that tiny little dustbin after every run. This thing takes care of itself. But it's not just about the self-emptying. The cleaning power is seriously impressive. This thing uses sonic vibration technology for mopping, which is way more effective than just dragging a damp cloth around. It scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute. It's gotten rid of dried-on coffee spills, muddy footprints, you name it. Stuff that my old robot vacuum just smeared around. And get this, the mop lifts automatically. So, if it detects carpet, it lifts the mop up so it doesn't get your rugs all wet. Genius, right? It even lifts the mop when it returns to the dock, so it doesn't track dirt everywhere. It's like it actually thinks for itself. Speaking of carpets, the ultrasonic carpet detection is spot on. You can customize how it handles carpets, whether you want it to just lift the mop or even do some wet mopping. And when it's on carpet, it automatically boosts the suction power for a deeper clean. We're talking 2,500 pascals of suction here, which is seriously powerful. It picks up everything, pet hair, dust bunnies, the works. The navigation is also top-notch. It uses LiDAR, which is the same technology used in self-driving cars. So, it creates these super accurate maps of your home and figures out the most efficient cleaning routes. It even learns and adapts over time, so it gets smarter with every clean. Now let's talk about allergies. This thing has a multi-layer air filtration system that captures almost all those tiny dust particles, which is a lifesaver if you have allergies like me. And when you do need to empty the dust bag, it seals itself shut, so you don't have to deal with any dust clouds. Honestly, the Roborock S7 Plus has been a total game changer for me. It saved me so much time and effort, and my floors have never been cleaner. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're serious about having a clean home without the hassle, I think it's worth every penny. It's definitely one of the best robot vacuums I've ever used. Highly recommend checking it out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.